Welcome back to the Hustle Blueprint. Today, we're diving into 7 proven ways you can make money online in 2025, even if you have no prior experience. Whether you're looking for extra income or want to work from home full-time, these methods are perfect for beginners. Stick around until the end because number 7 might just blow your mind. Let's get started. 1. User testing, UX testing. First up, we have user testing. Companies pay real users to test their websites and apps, offering valuable feedback on usability. Platforms like usertesting.com or TryMyOil let you earn $10 to $60 per test. Each test takes about 20 minutes and can be done from the comfort of your home. All you need is a computer, a stable internet connection, and a microphone. 2. Online surveys. Next is online surveys. While they won't make you rich, they're a great way to earn extra cash during your free time. Websites like Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Taluna pay you for quick 2 to 3 minute surveys. Payouts can be in cash or gift cards. It's super easy and flexible. 3. Selling stock music or sound effects. Are you musically inclined or good at creating sound effects? Selling stock music or sound effects is a profitable niche in 2025. Websites like Audio Jungle and Pond5 allow you to upload and sell your creations. Once uploaded, they can earn you passive income for years to come. No experience? No problem. Free tools like Audacity or GarageBand make it easy to get started. 4. Translation services. If you're fluent in more than one language, consider offering translation services. Websites like Gengo and Pros connect translators with clients. The best part? You don't need formal qualifications for most beginner roles. Translate documents, subtitles, or even marketing materials and get paid handsomely for your skills. 5. Dropshipping with unique niches. Dropshipping is still thriving, but in 2025, the key is to focus on unique niches. Think eco-friendly products, customizable gadgets, or trendy pet accessories. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo make it easy to set up your store. No inventory? No problem. Your supplier handles shipping directly to your customers. 6. Remote data annotation jobs. AI and machine learning are booming, and they need human input. That's where data annotation jobs come in. Platforms like Appen and LionBridge pay you to label images, videos, or text to train AI models. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and can be done entirely remotely. 7. Selling printables on Etsy. Lastly, selling printables on Etsy is a fantastic way to turn your creativity into profit. Think calendars, planners, or art prints. Use free tools like Canva to design eye-catching products. Once you upload your files to Etsy, customers can download them instantly. It's a one-time effort that keeps earning you money. And there you have it, 7 unique ways to start making money online in 2025. From user testing to selling printables, the opportunities are endless. Remember, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and explore what works best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.